Which way are you going with this then, Bob?
Okay. Well, good day, gentlemen. By the way, we're filming now.
All right.
And it really helps to have a lot of good friends and family to give us a hand here. So, the plan is we're going to pull the cab off, and we're going to stick it on the frame. And it helps when you have a lot of people. Anyway.
Suggestion.
Yes.
Get this frame out of the way, bring it over, roll the frame underneath. That way we're not
Right
stepping
on.
over.
Yep. Sounds like a great idea. The nice thing is it was made so it can be easy.
I saw wheels on that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You want to take a lead on this because you seem to know what you're...
No, I just said get the young guys in the front.
young guys in the front.
Are we going to shift
Okay,
it sideways?
to let you know what's going on in here.
No, no.
Steering column and pedals. So we're going to go up
Take it
and
back.
a little bit. Because once we get this opening here, we can get over the steering column. We might even be easier, if you don't mind the idea. If you go back a bit, you can literally shift the cab over to flip it over. If it's on its side, then you can straighten it up a bit.
How far back is a little bit? Am I going to get pinched?
Maybe not.
Okay.
I think you're okay there. Just watch your back legs don't flip.
Well, you've got to get by there.
Yeah, so we gotta go back about 8 inches. How we doing?
You got a lift?
A little higher.
Back up a bit.
Down with your left hand, really. Yeah. There you go. Clear. You got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're over. Down.
Oh.
Beauty. So we didn't even get to shoot that sideways, or, like you said, roll it on the side.
So now, you said you want to roll it?
If it's easier, it's either that or walking around.
Roll.
Which is easier?
Well, if we sideways?
Oh, I see what you're thinking. If we just kind of hook
Yeah.
over the wheel sideways.
Yeah.
As long as you guys are okay with that.
And get out of there.
Take your time.
I'm clear. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Everybody clear?
Yep.
Okay.
Roll the dolly under. Hello, dolly. There's the dolly. Yeah, it's over 80 years old, this thing. Hey, that's a year older than me. I'm not 80 years old.
Okay.
Lowering.
Down we go.
Okay.
Okay, how are we sitting?
You probably need,
All right, close enough.
you're right,
It's going to
you
get
need
moved again. But oh, look at that!
Robert, how about you want a piece of material across the front there? Because you're kind of...
I'm going to be moving this thing up and down. When I did the 54, I didn't have a dolly. I was literally rolling the cab on the floor as I worked on it.
Are you going
You want
over
it
here in
nose
front?
in or the way this
It doesn't matter.
Where are you going? In there or over in front
It
of the garage?
depends. Are we going to just sit and drink coffee for a while? Because I put a kettle, put it
Come
on.
on,
It can
come
stay
on.
out here. I can roll it in myself. That was the whole idea. I can move it myself. That was the plan.
Okay. You want to roll it over there for now then?
Yeah, let's just get it out
So
of the
if you
way.
want to use the garage.
All right, that was the plan.
Look at that. $500 dolly. $2 each for the wheel.
What's really important is investing in friends. These guys are cheap. They work for coffee.
Oh yeah, surplus, yeah. At least $2.
Thank you, gentlemen.